Next is reproductive health. Now you all have heard about mental health, physical health, social health. The definition of WHO also mentioned these three, and spiritual health. But everywhere the reproductive health is being omitted, and which is a very important thing. That is a person's state of being physical, mental and social strongness is called health. But in our country, these seem to lack of awareness regarding reproductive health, and due to the various reasons like social custom, tradition, illiteracy, shyness, etc. And especially there seem to be indifference towards the reproductive health of women. Now, occurrence of menstrual cycle is related with reproductive and overall health of women. Nowadays, women are working at par with men, and due to this they have to stay outdoor for whole day, and bleeding occurs during menstrual cycle, and due to this the private organ need to be maintained clean time to time. Otherwise, problem regarding reproductive health may arise, and some problem regarding reproductive health may arise in men too. It is essential to maintain the cleanliness of their genital parts. Now, among the various sexual disease, spleen and gonorrhea occurs on the large scale. There are many disorder related to sexual disease, but these are the main and dangerous disorder, that is spleens and gonorrhea. Both of these diseases are caused by bacteria. Occurrence of patches, that is chancre, on various part of the body including genital, rash, fever, inflammation of joints, aplosia means loss of hairs, etc. are the symptom of the spleen. Here rash means the redness with the with burning sensation. Fever means fever, you all know. Inflammation means swelling in the joints. Aplosia means loss of hair. These are the disorder which are due to these two bacterial infection, and these are the symptoms of spleen mainly. And the painful and burning sensation during urination, oozing of pus through the penis and vagina, inflammation in urinary tract, anus, throat, eye, etc. are the symptoms of gonorrhea. Means what? In spleen is also bacterial infection, and due to which there may be rashes, fever, inflammation of joint and hair loss. And in gonorrhea, the symptoms will be painful and burning sensation during urination, or oozing of pus through penis and vagina, inflammation in urinary tract, anus, throat, eye, etc. These are the symptoms of gonorrhea. So, due to this, we should clean our genital part and remain hygiene. It is must in both the cases, men as well as females.